Catherine Bernardo is definitely a glow-getter. On Instagram, the Kapamilya actress shared some snaps of her in a mint summer outfit from a recent vacation with friends. In the photos, Catherine is in all smiles in her two-piece suit that showed her well-toned abs. She was also sporting a yellow bucket hat and pair of sunglasses while holding a bottle of beverage. Arte, she wrote in the caption. Her post, which is a collaboration with actress Sofia Andres, has already generated nearly 400k likes as of writing. Her friends including Cassie, She Filomeno and Bupi Yap have all voiced their admiration for Catherine's post-breakup glow, with Melay Cantiveros perhaps saying it best, very sexy and hot. Previously, Catherine dyed her hair to brown after sporting a ginger-inspired hair color last December. In November, Catherine and Daniel Padilla confirmed their 11-year relationship came to an end in separate Instagram posts.